next question is for Sanjay Bhalla, from Mapei. And what do you do to make sure that your local suppliers comply with carbon emission standards?
We have a system that we are working on a total sustainability, because sustainability is not only the commitment, but it is our responsibility to make our future generations more safer with the better facilities. But what happens is we generally go to our suppliers to calculate their carbon emission and try to calculate on their EPD's values also, which is called Environmental Protection Declaration. And then we calculate what is their raw material sourcing, then how they transport the material, what mode of transport. So we come to a certain figure of carbon content and then approve the suppliers. Because ultimately what we are delivering today is going to benefit our future generations. And that is why the way India is growing, we have to develop certain norms, certain systems so that the carbon emission is totally zero. And for that suppliers and for ourselves also, we are working on a zero kind of products, whether it is the money is diversified into reducing the carbon clinkers or reducing the carbon content, or we are creating environmental protection by using renewable energy sources, or by investing the money into the forests and all that, so that the green concept is there.
So you're trying to diversify the sources of energy for your plants?
Yes, even Mapei as a company has a vision for next 5 years to make almost maximum of their products to zero. We generally call our products like suffix as zero, where we are either investing the money into the forest development, the green concept, or reducing the carbon. And the way India is growing, that we need a greater infrastructure, and we have developed the products for that infrastructure, so that basically we can reduce the carbon into the infrastructure development by adding those particular chemicals, so that the carbon emission is reduced.
What else are you doing to be relevant in a market that puts more and more emphasis on green buildings?
As like the government norms are getting more stringent towards the green buildings, so we have got a LEED certification, EPD certifications. We are slowly getting our products certified from the EPD norms, which is again from the Singapore Environmental Protection Declaration, where we also calculate how much money we are investing, and in the result how much carbon we are producing. Even as an internal source also, we are planning to develop like the way we travel, how much travel and how much carbon we have consumed or we have produced by traveling onto the aircraft, or we have the conveyance we have used. So that also and the products we are putting the less of the carbon content and ultimately making a low carbon content. So we are trying to get certified from the IGBC, which is Indian Green Building Concept, LEED, and other green status from the worldwide.